beginning of our show today, and that aircraft is known as the North American T-28 Trojan. First flown in the late 1940s, it was used as a trainer that replaced the North American Texan trainers, the SNJs, also known as the AT-6, the advanced trainers that were flown by the United States Navy, Marine Corps, the Army Air Force, the Royal Air Force, the Royal Canadian Air Force, and about 30 other allied nations. And as we got into the dawn of the jet age, there was a The T-28 is a big airplane. The right engine gives it a top speed of over 340 miles per hour when it's all cleaned up with nothing else on it, up at about 10,000 feet. It's got a wingspan of 40 feet. It's about 33 feet long. And from the bottom of the tires to the top of the tail, it's 12 feet 8 inches high. You got to climb up on the airplane to get in. And it's an airplane you get up into, and there's a lot of room in it, unlike some of the Navy jets and propeller-driven aircraft that are very tight in the cockpit. This one's very spacious, both for the instructor and the student. It's coming in from the right for a photo pass. If you look way high over your shoulder, you'll see Crash up there, way high. His call sign is Crash, with an R that is reversed on his name tags. But if you want to get your cameras going, he'll be approaching for this photo pass. I will turn the microphone off and let you watch and listen. Very unique sound to this radial engine because of the way the exhaust stacks are arranged. Here comes the Trojan. That's a great sound. It's got two exhaust manifolds, one that takes care of 5 cylinders. The other takes care of the other 4 cylinders, and so you only hear the half of the exhaust when it goes by. And so that's why it has that particular sound that is so unique to the Trojan. He'll come back through in a slow speed pass in a carrier. Here's Rusty Miller approaching from your left. And I believe what we'll see here is the carrier configuration pass with the gear down, the flaps down, and that tail hook extended. Look at how long the tail hook is because of its high stance and the angle at which it is draped down behind the tail. Gear up, flaps, hook up. Gear up, flaps up, hookup is what he calls there to his own mind as he cleans the airplane up for coming by. North American, responsible for the manufacture of